Birds of a feather. We should stick together, I know. What does the modal verb should mean here? Command or obligation? Permission or allowance? Suggestion or advice?
The right answer is suggestion or advice.
I said, I never think I wasn't better alone. What is the contraction? Do you mean here?
Would,
Should.
had.
The right answer is would.
Can't change the weather. What's the meaning of the negative modal verb? Not allowed to change. Unlikely to change. Impossible to change.
The right answer is impossible to change.
Might not be forever. What does might not mean here? Shouldn't last. Definitely won't last. Possibly won't last.
The right answer is possibly won't last.
But if it's forever, it's even better. Identify the adjective in the comparative form.
Sad, good, bad.
The right answer is good.
And I don't know what I'm crying for. What verb tense appears here? Past continuous. Past simple. Present continuous.
The right answer is present continuous.
I don't think I could love you more. What is the verb tense in the negative? Present simple. Present perfect. Past simple.
The right answer is present simple.
It might not be long. What does long mean? Duration of time. Physical distance. Height or length.
The right answer is duration of time.
But, baby, I'll love you till the day that I die. What verb tense appears here? Past simple. Present continuous. Future simple.
The right answer is future simple.
Till the light leaves my eyes. What does this sentence mean? Until I stop living. Until I fall asleep. Until the sun sets.
The right answer is until I stop living.
Unlock the power of music in your English language teaching classroom and enrich your educational strategies with engaging, song-based activities. Visit songactivityfactory.com to discover free, innovative resources and ready-to-use lesson plans that make language learning an unforgettable and inspiring experience.